Hey guys, how's it going? How to change the location on Instagram. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and click on your profile at the below right corner. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click the three bars at the top right. And from here, move along to the next step. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click account. And from there, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and switch to a professional account. Now, if you want to know where you last logged in or something like that, the places and all that, you could just go ahead to the security, and basically in the login activity you're gonna be able to see the place which is your location basically. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to the account and switch to a professional account. Now I'm gonna click continue, and basically select the business that you are in and hit done. And basically you're gonna be able to wait a couple of minutes, and from here I'm gonna just hit business. And basically from the business they will direct you to enter your information about your business, and you're gonna be able to enter the location that you actually want. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.